Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download RStudio app on your MacBook. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in download RStudio on Mac. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now scroll down and here before installing RStudio, you have to first install R. So click on download and install R. Now here you can see download R for macOS option, click on it. Now here you have different options, choose according to your processor. Here I'm using for M1. After your R is downloaded, go to the previous tab and here click on download RStudio desktop. After your download is completed, you can see pop-up like this, click on it. Now here drag the RStudio logo into the application. After that, your installation process is completed. Now go to Launchpad and here you can see RStudio app has been downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.